Hello everyone and welcome to another Experience Ag Tech Tip of the day. In this one we're going to go and learn about how to export data on the InCommand 1200. So we're going to go ahead and insert the USB drive in the side of the display. Once we have that inserted, we're going to go ahead and hit the top right corner. That little slide will pop down and we will hit Data Transfer. Once we have that hit, we look on the left side and it says Export Data. We're going to go ahead and hit that button. And on this monitor, there's no data to export, but on most of your guys' monitors, it will export all the data from the last time you have exported on that display. It will not be everything you have logged. Now, if we want to export everything that is on the display, we'll go ahead and hit Advanced Options in the bottom right of that, and we will hit Export All Log Files. That will export every single thing that is on this display onto this USB drive. Depending on how much data you actually have on the display, this might take a significant amount of time, so just be aware of that. Once you've reached the end of exporting all the log data, you'll go ahead and hit the green check mark on that box, and you should be good to go and have all your data on your USB drive.